Here are some ways to maintain good eye health. Take care of your eyes and don't take them for granted. Follow these simple steps to keep your eyes healthy. Maintain a healthy diet. It is essential for good eye health. Nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, zinc, and vitamin C and E can help prevent age-related vision problems. Stop smoking. Ceasing the habit of smoking is crucial for maintaining good eye health. Smoking increases your risk of developing optic nerve damage and other health issues. Put on sunglasses. Wearing sunglasses that protect against the sun's harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays can prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. Wear protective eyewear. If you work with hazardous materials or participate in high-risk sports, wear protective eyewear such as safety glasses or goggles. Visit your eye doctor regularly. It is important for everyone, including young children, to have regular eye exams to maintain good eye health and ensure optimal vision. Visit us at www.exceleye.com or call 310-905-8622 for a free eye consultation.